Most people believe weight loss is 50% diet and 50% exercise, but in reality, both combined are only 25% of the equation. Another 25% is quality sleep, and the most crucial 50% is actually following through on your plan. Many start with motivation, but that fades quickly. The key is to set a clear, measurable goal. For example, lose 5 pounds by July 1st, and another 5 pounds by August 1st. A goal with a deadline keeps you accountable. Step 1. Make dieting easy. 1. Plan ahead. Instead of guessing what to eat daily, create a simple but realistic plan. Example, swap your high-calorie breakfast milk, granola, PB&J for a 1-mile jog, followed by 15 strawberries and 3 boiled eggs. To set up your environment, remove junk food from your kitchen. Prepare meals in advance. Boil eggs, buy fruits, and keep them accessible. Make unhealthy choices difficult. If junk food is visible, you'll eat it. 3. Expect temptation. There will be moments of weakness, like when you're at a restaurant staring at high-calorie meals. Be ready to say no to excuses like, "One cheat meal won't hurt. I'll start tomorrow. I'll just eat less later." 4. Build willpower. The easiest way to resist temptation is to avoid it altogether. The more you practice walking away from bad choices, the easier it gets. Step 2. Track your fat loss the right way. Use a scale daily, but focus on your weekly average. Your weight can fluctuate due to water retention. Take progress pictures, but don't expect instant results. The body loses fat from areas you can't see first. If your weight isn't changing, lower calories by 200 to 300 or add more exercise. Step 3. Calories matter most. To lose weight, you must eat fewer calories than you burn. If your body burns 2,000 calories today, eating 1,700 calories will lead to fat loss. You can count calories using an app, or you can estimate by eating mostly whole, filling foods like lean protein, veggies, fruits, and whole grains. Step 4. Simple diet hacks. Drink water. Hunger is often just thirst. Avoid liquid calories. Soda, juice, and milkshakes add up fast. Eat high-protein plus high-fiber foods to stay full longer. Try intermittent fasting. Eating within a 4 to 8 hour window makes dieting easier. Cut out snacks. Most people snack out of boredom, not hunger. Final step. Make healthy eating a habit. If you do something long enough, it becomes automatic. The real cheat code to weight loss is making healthy choices effortless until it's no longer a diet but just your way of life. Once you reach that point, you've won the game. Subscribe or stay dumb.